Gado Gado. Prepare the ingredients. Heat a wok over high heat. Add 1 cup of raw peanuts and toast until golden brown. Place into a mortar and pestle and pound into a paste. Place the peanuts into a saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili paste. Add 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. Add 1 cup of water and turn on the heat and mix well. Then bring to the boil. Cut 2 carrots into battens. Top and tail a handful of sugar snaps. Break the head of a broccoli into bite-sized florets. Slice 150 grams of tempeh into thin strips. Separate the leaves of a quarter of a cabbage. Cut the cabbage into long strips. Add 3 to 4 pieces of carrot to a leaf and sugar snaps, and then roll. Boil the sauce and cook for a couple of minutes until reduced. Add salt to taste and stir well. Heat a wok, add some water, add a steaming basket, add the cabbage rolls, cover with a lid, steam for a couple of minutes until the cabbage is soft. When the cabbage is soft, remove from the steam basket, add 1 cup of water, add the broccoli, add the carrots, cover with a lid and steam for a few minutes. When the broccoli is bright green, remove the basket, replace the basket with the remaining leaves of spinach and cabbage and steam for a few minutes. After a couple of minutes, when the spinach is wilted, remove. Add the sliced tempeh and steam. To assemble, place the peanut sauce on a platter. Place the cabbage rolls on top of the sauce. Add some steamed tempeh in between the rolls. Add some broccoli. Drizzle with a little sauce. Place the cabbage and the spinach on the platter with broccoli and carrots. Pour over the peanut sauce. Add the tempeh and serve.